Good morning, class. Today we'll start next topic of this chapter, that is spinal cord. As I told you before, that spinal cord is the main part or important role for our body, and it is connected with the brain. The spinal cord is a long, thick bundle of nerves that extend down from the medulla till the lower end of the backbone. So it is a long, thick bundle, लंबा और thick, मोटा एक bundle होता है nerves का, and it is coming down from medulla. Medulla is a part of brain until the end of backbone. Backbone का जो हमारा lower part होता है वहाँ तक spinal cord होती है. It is protected by backbone. ये backbone से ही protected रहती है. Nerves originate from the spinal cord and spread all over the body. Nerves जो spinal cord से originate होती है, they start from the spinal cord and it is spread all over the body. Okay, so even in your finger, in your eye, the nerves are there. The spinal cord is responsible for carrying messages between the brain and rest of the body through nerves. Whatever the masses come from brain and go to the body parts, and from the body parts to brain, that is the work of spinal cord. It means spinal cord is only responsible thing for carrying message and receiving and giving message from the body part to brain and brain to body parts. So it is having very important role for our body. It also control the action that do not involve involve the brain. These action are called reflex action. It is also control the action which are not having any control of brain. Okay, that actions are called reflex action. What type of action are there? Like your heartbeat, it is brain has no control on heart beating. Brain has no control of respiration system like breathing. Okay, automatically even when you are sleeping, then also you are breathing, your heartbeat is running. Okay, so this is spinal cord. Now nerves. What are the nerves? Nerves are made up of nerve cells called neurons. Nerves न्यूरॉन्स से बनी होती नर्व सेल्स से बनी होती है जिनको न्यूरॉन्स बोलते हैं. Nerves run throughout the body. As we just study, the nerves is run throughout the body. In all over your body part, nerves are present. They carry messages between the brain and rest of the body. There are three types of nerves. Okay, there are three types of nerves: sensory nerves, motor nerves, mixed nerves. So what are the work of these nerves? So sensory nerves. First of all, we will study about sensory nerves carrying message from sense organ to the brain or spinal cord. These type of nerves, these are called sensory nerves which carry message from sense organs to brain. जो भी हमारे सेंस ऑर्गन होते हैं वहाँ से मैसेज को ब्रेन तक ले जाना और स्पाइनल कॉर्ड तक ले जाना, ये किसका काम होता है? दैट इज सेंसरी नर्व्स. ओके, मोटर नर्व्स कैरिंग मैसेज फ्रॉम ब्रेन और स्पाइनल कॉर्ड टू मसल्स, ऑर्गन्स और ग्लैंड्स. जो भी हमारे बॉडी में मसल्स, ऑर्गन्स होते हैं या फिर ग्लैंड्स होती हैं, उनसे मैसेज को ब्रेन तक ले जाना और स्पाइनल कॉर्ड तक ले जाना, दैट इज responsible for motor nerves. Okay, now mixed nerves do both the job, carrying message to and from the brain. Mixed nerves work is they carrying the message from or to brain. Okay, so we'll complete this topic here only, and tomorrow we'll study next topic. Till then, read your chapter, watch this video, and if you are having any issues, any query, you can write on my personal number. I will resolve it. Thank you very much. God bless you.